I grew up in the Philippines and life there was simple and hard. I dreamed to get out of that situation one day. And at the time, I just didn't know how because women doing a man's job wasn't very supportive. I was questioned for something I love to do, and that kind of kills my dream. It was hard. So after coming to the United States, I know that there's a lot of opportunity here, and I started dreaming again. After having kids, I see them growing, and I thought to myself, if I could start a career, I could provide them a good future. I heard Tulsa Welding School from my husband. When I mentioned him, I like to pursue welding, and he mentioned how he heard good stories about the school. And I had a tour and I see how they're doing there, how hands-on they are, and just loved it. They have very good program. They gave me sets of skills, and it was what it got me where I'm at today. I graduated Tulsa Welding School after 7 months, and 5 to 6 weeks later, I got the job. Ultra Harris is a good company, and I'm doing high frequency aluminum TIG welding. And knowing that we are building for the Navy, I feel like I'm contributing to the country. My stepson is in the Navy, and I feel like I'm helping out, and it's a great feeling. Me and my husband, we have 3 kids together. I love my family, and we just do things together. My kids love bowling. We're not good at it, but we just enjoy it for fun. My family, they mean everything to me. They are my world, and my children, they're very proud of me, and I just want to be an inspiration for them. I want them to know what hard work is. And, if you want something, you have to work hard for it. Looking back where I came from and where I'm at now in my life, I feel accomplished. Tulsa Welding School gave me that hope and possibilities that I never thought would be possible. The knowledge and the skills I learned from them gave me strong foundation to start my career, and that changes everything. I want to thank Tulsa Welding School, the teachers, the staff, the people that I make friends with. You all have contributed to my success, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much. My name is Geicil, and I am proud to be a Tulsa Welding School graduate. Ako ay si Geicil at pinagmamalaki kong graduate ako ng Tulsa Welding School. Is that good enough?